They may seem like just a warm, comforting drink on a cold day, but what if I told you that your next cup of tea could help lower your blood pressure, reduce inflammation, strengthen your immune system, and even support your brain health? In this video, we're diving deep into 7 of the most powerful medicinal teas you absolutely must know about. Whether you're struggling with stress, digestive issues, or just want to boost your overall wellness naturally, these teas have been used for centuries across different cultures, and modern science is finally catching up. But more than just listing the teas, we'll show you exactly how to prepare them, when to drink them, and how to get the most out of their healing powers. Stick around till the end. We saved the most surprising one for last. And no, it's not green tea. Let's begin with chamomile tea, often overlooked, but incredibly potent. Chamomile isn't just for sleep. While most people associate it with relaxation and bedtime, studies show chamomile contains powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that can calm the digestive tract, ease menstrual pain, and even improve heart health. The key component, apigenin, binds to brain receptors in a way similar to anti-anxiety medication, but without the side effects. To make the most of it, steep 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 10 minutes, cover to trap the essential oils, and drink it about 30 minutes before bed or during a stressful moment in your day. Consistency is key. Drink it daily for a minimum of 2 weeks to start feeling the effects. Next up, ginger tea. This root has been used in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. Ginger tea is a powerhouse for digestion, immunity, and inflammation. Rich in gingerol, it works almost like a natural ibuprofen, helping with arthritis, sore muscles, and nausea, including morning sickness and motion sickness. But it goes deeper. Ginger stimulates gastric emptying and helps balance blood sugar levels, making it especially helpful for people with type 2 diabetes or metabolic syndrome. For best results, use fresh ginger root, slice it thin, boil it in water for 10 to 15 minutes, and optionally add lemon or honey. Drink it before meals to aid digestion or after workouts to help with muscle recovery. Pro tip: freeze sliced ginger in small bags so it's always ready to use. Third on the list is peppermint tea, and this one is all about gut health and focus. Peppermint tea has natural antispasmodic effects that helps relax the muscles in your digestive tract, reducing bloating, gas, and cramps. It also has antimicrobial properties that can help balance gut bacteria and fight off pathogens. But here's something most people don't know. Peppermint contains menthol, which can enhance alertness and mental clarity. That SYIS, perfect in the afternoon when you're recrashing, but don't want caffeine. Brew peppermint leaves for 7 to 10 minutes and drink it slowly, allowing the steam and aroma to work through your sinuses. Avoid if you suffer from acid reflux. It can relax the lower esophageal sphincter and worsen symptoms. Otherwise, it's one of the gentlest, most effective teas out there. Now let's talk about hibiscus tea, the blood pressure killer. Yes, killer. This deep red flower isn't just beautiful, it's medicinal. Clinical studies have shown that hibiscus tea can significantly reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, almost rivaling some pharmaceuticals. But without the side effects, it's rich in anthocyanins and polyphenols, which protect your arteries, reduce oxidative stress, and support heart health. To prepare, steep dried hibiscus petals in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. It has a tart, cranberry-like taste, and It's delicious, cold or hot. Drink it twice a day for maximum benefits. And always monitor your blood pressure if you're on medication. It can amplify their effects. Bonus. It also helps lower LDL cholesterol and supports liver health. Fifth on our list is turmeric tea, the anti-inflammatory legend. If you suffer from chronic pain, joint stiffness, or even brain fog, turmeric tea may be exactly what you need. The active compound is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that's been studied for its effects on arthritis, depression, and even cancer prevention. But there's a catch: curcumin has poor bioavailability. That means your body doesn't absorb it well unless it is combined with fat or black pepper. So when making turmeric tea, always add a pinch of black pepper and a bit of healthy fat like coconut oil or almond milk. Simmer 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with water for 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. Drink it daily, preferably with food, to maximize absorption. The results won't be instant, but over time, many people report dramatic improvements in mobility, mood, and mental clarity. Coming in at number 6 is Rooibos tea, underestimated superstar from South Africa. Rooibos is naturally caffeine-free and loaded with antioxidants like espalathrin and nothofagin, which are rare and highly effective in fighting oxidative stress. This tea is known for supporting liver function, balancing blood sugar, and even improving skin elasticity thanks to its anti-aging properties. What makes Rooibos unique is that it's also safe for children and pregnant women, unlike many other medicinal teas. Steep the loose leaves or tea bags for 5 to 8 minutes and enjoy it plain or with a splash of oat milk. Regular consumption, 2 to 3 cups a day, can promote long-term cardiovascular health and may help with seasonal allergies and asthma due to its natural antihistamine effects. And finally, the 7th medicinal tea you must know about: holy basil tea, also called tulsi. This ISN tea, just a sacred herb in India, is a powerful adaptogen that helps your body handle stress, stabilize blood sugar, and protect your brain. Research shows tulsi tea can reduce cortisol levels, enhance memory, and even act as a mild antidepressant. What makes it remarkable is how it balances multiple systems at once: nervous, endocrine, and immune, making it perfect for anyone dealing with burnout or chronic fatigue. To prepare, steep tulsi leaves in hot water for 10 minutes. Drink it in the morning to start your day with clarity, or before sleep to calm your mind. Combine it with lemon balm for an extra relaxing blend. This tea isn't just a tonic, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Each of these teas holds ancient wisdom backed by modern science, but none of them will transform your health unless you use them with intention. The real power lies in consistency. These aren't one-time magic potions. They are habits, rituals that compound their effects over time. Incorporate just one of these teas into your daily routine and notice what shifts, then layer in a second and a third. Your body knows how to heal. These plants are simply tools to support what it already wants to do: return to balance. So now that you've learned about the top 7 medicinal teas, which one will you try first? If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below letting us know which tea surprised you the most, or if you already use one of them in your routine. And if you want more science-backed tips for a healthier, longer life, tap the bell so you don't miss the next episode. Your wellness journey starts with one small habit make. Today, the day you take that first sip,